You guys are freaking killing me, man. You guys are freaking killing me. Everyone's in here so early today, man. 66,870. Bitcoin looking like it wants to get a run up to the upside, guys. Let's see what happens here. There was a reason why I was waiting for 66,850. It was a break of this trend line here on the hourly, and that looks like it's gonna break. Or it looks like it's breaking right now as we speak. So let's start out the stream with the pump music, guys. Hit up that like button. Let's get everyone in here, right? We're early, so let's hit up that like button so everyone gets notified. Let's freaking go, all right? Look at that timing, man. Look at that timing. 67,250. Your boy with the timing. Your boy with the timing of the start of the stream. 67,350. We're already going off right now, guys. We're already going off. This has already turned into a watch party stream. And we are 2 seconds into the stream. 67,200. Guys, I've been telling you, this is going to be a girthy week. This is going to be a girthy week. I have a tingling in my little gymborees. I said it on Saturday. So far, it's been a girthy week, man. 67,161 as we continue up for BTC. Let's see if we continue this run. ETH also 47.96 for ETH. We're gonna play the pump music again. All right, ETH smacking all-time highs again. We have a $4,800 ETH, guys. A $4,800 ETH. Let that set in. $4,800. $5,000 ETH is coming, guys. $5,000 ETH is in sight. Is in very, very close sight. What a start to the stream, man. What a start to the stream. 67,250 for Bitcoin. 4,800 for ETH. As well as a plethora of other altcoins performing extremely well today. We'll go through those in a second, but how could I not start out the stream with just Bitcoin and ETH pumping? I know it is what it is. It is what it is. This is the part of the cycle that we're at the current moment. Is we kind of start the stream and we watch Bitcoin and ETH because that's what we've seen in the last 2 days, guys. I mean, that's what makes this exciting. Look at Bitcoin. Let's freaking go. 67,644, 4,800. 4,804 for ETH. We're absolutely killing it right now for the top two coins. Going absolutely nuts right now. Absolutely nuts. Let's see if this continues, guys. Man, I'm already out of breath. I'm already out of breath from dancing, guys. Holy crap. But guys, the 1 hour RSI on the hourly or 1 hour RSI for ETH has plenty of room to run here, which is nice. And so it does for Bitcoin too. It does for Bitcoin. So if both of these want to continue up, they certainly can here. The hourly stock RSI, the hourly stock RSI is down here at about a 30, and on Ethereum down at about a 38, right? So things are looking really, really freaking good, man. Really, really freaking good. It's awesome. It's awesome. So that's looking juicy, juicy, juicy. Let's go. Remember when there was no price action? Yeah, man. The last 2 days have made up for the no price action for a long, long time, man. Long, long time. What are we waiting on for Bitcoin, by the way, guys? Let's look left real quick. Actually, Bitcoin, Bitcoin's gone. Bitcoin's gone. Bitcoin's in price discovery. Actually, for some reason I thought we went to like 60,500, but we only went to 67,000 actually. So Bitcoin's in price discovery, new all-time highs for Bitcoin, and new all-time highs for Ethereum. Once again. I mean, are we surprised at this point? No, we're not, man. We're not. We're not, man. This is good. This is good. This is good. Where's Plan B's chart, man? Look at Plan B's chart. We're on our way. We're on our way, man. We're a little bit far behind, but we're catching up. The trajectory was supposed to be this, okay? This was supposed to be the trajectory. Look at how we're catching up right now. Let's zoom in a little bit here so you guys can see. I know you guys don't have the eyes of ants, so let's zoom in a little bit. Look at the trajectory, man. We're catching up to that trajectory we're supposed to be on for Plan B. Look at it. Look at it. We're catching up. We're supposed to be right here. if it was a flatline trajectory. So we are catching up. Not going to say it's still going to play out, but we're definitely catching up pretty quick there. Bitcoin continuing up. ETH continuing up. Here we go. All right, this is getting exciting, guys. This is getting excited. I'm getting excited too. I always try to stay realistic, but you know, when your top 2 coins are in price discovery at the same time, it's a little bit exciting. It's a little bit exciting. Let's go back and see. I mean, dude, it was the breakout of the symmetrical triangle, man. And look at this daily candle, man. Look at this daily candle for Bitcoin, bro. It was the breakout of the symmetrical triangle, and this is what really catapulted us higher, guys. Look at this daily girthy candle. This is a girthy pickle if you've ever seen one before. Look at that. We broke it. Boom. Boom. What were we saying? We thought this was going to break up, and boom. We're gone like the wind. Bitcoin's still going up. The no volume. The no volume. Who's the no volume guy? Who's the I forget what the no volume guy was. There's no volume. Guys, there's no volume. We can't continue up on no volume.
Rant alert. Rant alert.
There's no volume. But there's no volume. We can't pump on no volume. We can't pump on no volume. No volume. We've had no volume since 29K, bro. Chill with the no volume. There's no volume. Mike. Oh, man. It's a fake out. What's up, Super Doge? Super Doge to the super chat. We also had Ghost Dive at BTC pumping 8 complete without that pump music. No, it's not, brother. Thank you for hanging out, man. Thank you for hanging out. That's what we're doing today. That's what we're doing today. What else do we want to check out real quick, guys? Look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour. I mean, I was going to do some analysis on the 4 hour. Then Bitcoin said,
Nope.
okay. And you smash this to the upside. Okay. You smash that to the upside. So that's gone. You can't really do TA on the 4 hour. I guess you could say the 4 hour stock RSI is a little bit topped out here. The 4 hour RSI is at a 77. So, I mean, this could still go higher. I mean, we've seen Bitcoin go up higher in the past. So I'm not going to be completely surprised if Bitcoin continues higher here, to be honest. But we're getting a little bit toppy on the 4 hour. Same thing on the hourly, right? I mean, it'd still go a little bit higher. We just did the other day. And then the daily, what's nice about the daily still has room to run, which is awesome, right? Daily is still down here. So the daily RSI still has plenty of room to run if it wants to. And daily stock looks really good, man. Daily stock looks really good. Weekly, obviously, the weekly looks juicy. Look at this weekly already. Starting out the week. Obviously, that's the daily. Our Giordano Inu. Guys! Hold on, I gotta take off my helmet for this one. Guys, the Giordano Inu Fractal Prophecy. If you guys have doubted me ever, okay? And there's been plenty of times you probably should have doubted me, let's be honest. But if you guys have ever doubted me, okay? Do not doubt the Giordano Inu Fractal Prophecy, man. What did we just say? This was gonna get an upside move. What are we getting? The upside move. The Giordano Inu Fractal Prophecy continues to play out, okay? Do not discount the Giordano Inu Fractal Prophecy. I repeat, do not count out the Giordano Inu Fractal Prophecy. Just don't. Don't do it. Don't do it, all right? Bitcoin getting that pump. I mean, like we said, if this is going to play out, we should see Bitcoin get to, 85,000 here, right? If this is going to continue to play out, man. If it was going to continue to play out, that is what we would expect. 80 to 85,000 for Bitcoin in the next, in the next week or two, right? If this was I'm not going to say it's going to continue to play out, but it keeps playing out. Let's see if it continues to play out. All right, let's just see. Let's see. The other thing is, what else is it? The Bitcoin dominance, man. Look at the Bitcoin dominance. Everything is playing out exactly as I predicted, as Carl the Moon would say. But yeah, down the wedge, right? Our wedge on the 4 hour, basically, or the daily, whatever you want to look at. Look at the breakout of our wedge on the dominance. This played out too. If this was to continue to play out, I mean, we would expect to move up to at least the top of the wedge, up at 47% dominance, 48% dominance at the very least. So that played out pretty nicely. Let's see if that continues to move up. As we're still expecting Bitcoin to outpace alts. Yeah, I mean, I guess. But yeah. I'm not stopping, bro. I'm going off right now. It's a dead cat bounce. It's not a dead cat bounce. Not a dead cat bounce. We're over that. We're over that. 47.7% is that next target for the dominance. Okay, if that continues to play out the way we expect it to. All right, Bitcoin's chilling at 67.6. And ETH is chilling at 48.06. I'm okay with those chilling at those levels if you are. No volume. There's no volume. We need Creeper Mike. Creeper Mike is still in my room, by the way. He's holding me hostage here. There's no volume. We can't keep pumping. There's no volume. Without any volume, Bitcoin can't continue up, even though it's had no volume since $29,000 and has gone up approximately about 130% with no volume. There's no volume. No volume. Man. That's Mike. That's Mike. Mike, the no volume guy. Can't hear you. The Grinch. Let's see. The Grinch. I love the no volume guys. They're so funny, man. What else do we want to look at? Oh, the total market cap is absolutely going nuts, by the way. Look at the total market cap, man. Going absolutely nuts. There it goes. There it goes. What was our original target for the total market cap? Let me just double check here. Our original target of our cup and handle pattern was originally, let's take a look here. I don't think we already hit it, but let me just make sure. It was originally upwards of, somewhere upwards of 3.82 trillion. So that's still got a ways to go, but the total market cap's absolutely crushing it. A lot of these things are in price discovery today, guys. So we're sort of just marveling at the fact that we're seeing price discovery on a lot of different things. There's altcoins going nuts. ADA's up 5%. Link the Slink is up 6%. XRP is up 5%. Doge is up 6%. VeChain. You don't want to hold VeChain? I'm sure you do now. I'm sure you want to hold VeChain now. VeChain up 12% today. Algo up 8%. Theta up 5%. ETC up 4%. It's a good day. It's a good day in crypto land. You must not see the upside down bat pattern. Let's see. Is there an upside down bat pattern? Let's bring our good friend market makers. Oh, no, not market makers. Oh, is it market makers? As you come, Richard, we promise not to replace you. Another good-looking TA guy with better hair. Adam, don't make fun of my hair, man. Don't make fun of my hair, man. I'm not going anywhere, bro. I'm not going anywhere, man. I enjoy doing this too much, dude. Like, I enjoy doing this too much. It is what it is. Let me go find. Let's go find our good friend Market Makers in here. Where is he? Oh, here he is. All right, Brendan. Brendan, come on. You have a bearish pattern to show? Because we have to be unbiased on this channel. Let's have Brendan from Market Makers on. Come on. All right. Come on, Brendan. All right, Brendan's about to come on, guys. What's going on, guys? Guys, we are still bearish. I'm seeing a lot of the Moon Boys getting extremely bullish right now, and there's no reason to be bullish. The charts still look extremely bearish. We are in a bearish, upside down, we're in a bearish, upside down, mongoose pattern still, okay? We are still in the mongoose pattern. Let me show you the mongoose pattern real quick, guys. Where is it? Where is our little mongoose? There it is. All right, so a bearish mongoose. You guys can see clearly from the top to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom, back to the top. There's clearly a bearish mongoose pattern in play, okay? The target for this bearish mongoose pattern is all the way, you guys can see, I mean, if we just take the Fibonacci's, the bearish mongoose would bring us down to the 0.618, the most commonly retraced Fibonacci level in crypto is the 0.618, would bring us all the way back down to $43,000. There's so much euphoria in the market. Guys, there's no volume. There's no volume. The whales are artificially pushing the price up right now. There's no volume. This is all artificial, and we're going back down to $44,000. It's not going to be, the bulls aren't going to like this. They're all going to be in the comments section, but that's okay. This is artificial market. It's going to go back to $44,000. All right. So there's the bearish mongoose. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys join my paid trading group down below where I tell you guys how to lose all your trades because I'm always bearish. Make sure you guys go join the worst paid trading group in crypto. All right. See you guys later.
Why is Johnny Sins on Jordan's show?
All right. All right. All right. So we're doing good. We're doing good. 57,572 and ETH is at 48.10 at the current moment. Shaves head. No volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. Oh, man. Uh, 48.12 for ETH. ETH is trying to continue up. 67.588. Guys, I'm getting texts from like, I don't know, some people. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm getting a bunch of texts right now. As Bitcoin and ETH are smashing. There's the times where you start getting texts from friends and family. Hey, ETH, crypto's going off. Congrats, man. Yeah, congrats. It's awesome, man. 48.11. And let's actually check out. Thanks for the entertainment. Been waiting for your stream the last couple days. Appreciate it. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate you watching, man. Appreciate you watching. And it's a good time to be in crypto, man. It's a good time to be in crypto. Savvy. We'll bring out Savvy in a little bit. We'll bring out Savvy in a little bit. Let's check out some other alts, guys. Actually, we looked at the dominance. Let me real quick, before we get into some alts, let me just go over, looked at total 2. Those are both in price discovery. Target for total 2 is 1.74 trillion. Target for total, I mean, I'm still looking at our cup and handle target at 3.81 trillion at some point, man. It's not going to happen tomorrow, right? It's a longer term target, but that's looking really, really juicy to happen within the next couple weeks. And guys, you know, time flies so fast. You got to remember that at the end of this year, you know, I still think that the cycle goes into next year. I still definitely believe that. But for all the people that believe that the cycle ends at the end of this year, which I'd be fine with, I would be very happy if it did. That's fine by me, right? If the price goes up faster than we expect it, sure, that's fine. Time goes by so fast. We only have 52 days left in the year. Guys, there's only 52 days left in the end of this year, right? I mean, we're coming up. Like, for everyone that thinks this is going to end in December, we're coming up to that time. We're going to have to start moving if that's going to be the case. You called it. Savvy moved his lines again today, negated his bullish position at 63.755. Yeah, I watched his last stream. This guy is so full of crap, man. This guy is so full of crap, man. Like, I don't like saying people are full of crap, but this guy purposely is a bear to cater to his audience, man. I swear. Like, it's not like he's invested or he's negatively invested in crypto. No, dude, this guy, no matter how high the price goes, he just continues to be a bear. I swear it's just a marketing tactic by him, which is an awful marketing tactic because it just makes him look stupid. This guy, like, I don't like to call people out like that, but this guy, I think he's just purposely doing it at this point to either be a troll or I don't know. I don't know. I think he's just being a troll at this point. There's no way you can just keep being bearish and keep changing your lines every single time. Unless he just doesn't have any brain cells, because he's been bearish since $3,000. At $3,000, he was calling for Bitcoin going to $1,000. At $10,000, he was calling for Bitcoin to go back to $3,000. I don't know what's wrong with this guy, man. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. But he's missing out. He's missing out on. Well, he already missed out on Giant Wave, but he's gonna miss out on more Wave. Looks bearish to me. That's my quick rant, though.
Rant alert. Rant alert.
Invite him on. Poor bear. Guys, nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
I think he's a troll at this point, to be honest. He's like I said, he's either got to be a troll or he's either a troll or he's just dumb. I mean, one of the two. One of the two. But yeah, Barry, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. All right. ETH is looking juicy. Bitcoin is trying to look juicy. Let's go look at some alts, guys. Chainlink finally broke that 33.82 mark. I think Chainlink has a good, probably has at least a move up to 35.49 at this point. So Chainlink's looking good, guys. Chainlink finally broke that resistance, man. It's clutch. That's absolutely clutch, man. Absolutely clutch. The bears have been grabbing up the coins the whole time, just like everyone else. Probably. Probably.
Sounds like spoiler.
Yo, Crow. It sounds like Jordan versus Savvy fight to the finish. Spoiler, Jordan wins. I already won, man. I already won. This dude, I'm not gonna go into it. I mean, it is what it is. We're over. We had our 2-minute Savvy segment. Maybe he'll come out as a guest later on, but we had our 2-minute Savvy segment. Yeah, but Chainlink's looking juicy, guys. I think 35.49 is at least coming here. And then after that, man, there's not much for Chainlink. Like Chainlink after that, I mean, could be pushing 40 pretty quick. Pretty easily there. Litecoin, we'll check out Litecoin. ADA's looking good too. I mean, ADA's up 5% today. That's a lot for ADA, right? I don't mean to crap on ADA. I own ADA too, so I'm completely unbiased. Well, I guess I'm biased that I like ADA, but I'm still crapping on it. You know, I guess it might have broken out today, guys. ADA, you just take the simple trend line down, it might have broken this trend line to the upside. Could this be the start of ADA maybe getting some price action to the upside? Certainly could, right? It certainly could. ADA could potentially be moving up. Potentially. Now it is ADA. Oh, Wes, man.
Hello, Jordan.
Dude.
Can you please...
Man, dude. Wes, it's good to hear she's in good hands, man. Good luck with that, dude. That's awful news, man. Good luck, man. Good luck with that. Jeez, man. Jeez. All right. Let's see. Caesar. So, hello, Jordan. Can you please take a look at Super Farm? Yeah, we can take a look at Super Farm. Let's go see what's going on with Super Farm, man. And we'll look at Super Farm in just a second. I wanted to just jump through a couple of these bigger altcoins at the moment. Oh, someone said ETH is hitting new all-time highs. Actually, it's got as far as 48.20, and Bitcoin got as high as 68,800 or so. Let's see, new all-time high ETH. Yeah, I mean, we're on new all-time high Bitcoin and ETH. So, I mean, we're looking pretty good overall, man. Pomp character. Yeah, we'll check out the Pomp character, man. We'll do that. But yeah, ADA could potentially be getting some moves here, guys. About time. Polkadot, yeah, it's not really doing too much, but Polkadot trying to break this resistance as well. We're getting to the point where a lot of coins are getting to all-time highs, man. A lot of them. Let's see. So DOT, XRP's pushing up. XRP up 550. Guys, XRP, if XRP can break, I mean, XRP could be, let's actually go to the daily on XRP. XRP is 129. If XRP can break, let's see for XRP, man. XRP. Big resistance at like 130. If 130 breaks, I think there's a good shot to move up to 141 potentially. So XRP is as much as I talk crap about XRP, right? As much as I talk crap about XRP, it has potential to move up here, right? It has potential to move up. It honestly does. So Do not rule Mr. XRP out of the equation, man. Do not do it. Do not do it, all right? VeChain gang. Yeah, VeChain's going off. We'll check out VeChain in a second. Doge. Doge pumped up a little bit more earlier. Pulled back a little bit, but Doge up about 6% today. I'm not going to spend too much time on Doge. There's not really too much going on there. I actually wanted to check on VeChain. Look at VeChain. I want to hold that. You want to hold that now? You want to hold that now? You want to hold that now? Huh? You want to hold it now? But yeah, VeChain up 12%. And like we said, guys, once VeChain broke the level right around here, about 15.5. Bro, there's not much left here for VeChain. VeChain could be going nuts here, in theory. Daily still has room to run. VeChain's looking juicy, man. I could see VeChain getting to 18.7 here, right? Closer to 18.8 pretty quickly here for VeChain, man. Pretty quickly for VeChain. VeChain's going absolutely nuts right now. So if you don't want to hold VeChain, well, now you do, baby. Now you do. Someone said ETH is going off again. Oh, I'm gonna pass out. Bro, one of these days I'm actually gonna pass out. It's not gonna be pretty. ETH hitting 48.20. 48.20 for ETH. Fun times, man. This is fun times, man. Guys, I always want to remind people, and this is not a popular discussion, okay? I know this is not a popular discussion. Make sure in times like this, we're remembering our strategy that we came into this with, right? Always remember your take profit strategy. Don't get greedy on taking profits, okay? Don't get greedy on taking profits, because in times like this, you get a lot of euphoria. And this is not a popular topic right now. We just want to say moon, Lambo, whatever, right? I know that's what we want to talk about right now. But guys, remember your strategy when you came into it. Make sure you're taking profits in the levels you said we were going to. Don't get too greedy. I know it's easy to fall into that trap where you think these things are just going to go up forever. Don't get too greedy, okay? Don't get too greedy. We're going to have fun. That's what we do on this channel, but I don't want to be like it's going to go up forever, okay? Make sure we're taking profits at the levels you said you were going to before these pumps started, okay? Just a quick rant alert. I just want to keep everyone grounded a little bit, all right?
Rant alert, rant alert, rant alert.
When Moon? Ghost Eye said I would never sell Bitcoin. Hey man, I can't. I'm going to sell some of my Bitcoin. There's going to be I'm probably going to end up holding about 50% of my Bitcoin, no matter what, just because I don't know what's actually going to happen in the future. And for whatever reason, we don't get some crazy bear market, I don't want to miss out, right? So I'm probably going to always keep 50% of my Bitcoin in. Altcoins, I'll probably take more profits on altcoins. But 50% of my Bitcoin will probably stay in my HODL stack forever, or until I feel like it's at that point where it's just ridiculous, right? But yeah, 48.22 for ETH. I can't. And actually, I'll probably end up keeping most of my Ethereum too. I'll probably end up keeping 50% of my Bitcoin, 30% of my Ethereum, and other alts I'll probably sell and then trickle those back into my main coins in any potential bear market, right? 48.22. ETH is continuing up. ETH is continuing up.
BTC 500K March. Never
BTC 500K by March. Hey, that's not very optimistic. I will if BTC hit 500K, I would be dead on the floor. I would be legit dead on the floor. Simple as that. Simple as that. If BTC hit 500K, I would probably cry on stream. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If ever a day ever came where BTC hit $500,000, I would probably cry on stream, and you guys probably would too. You guys probably would too, because that would be absolutely insane. I don't see that happening, but that's a little bit too optimistic for me. But hey, I mean, I guess it's nothing wrong with being a little bit optimistic, right? All right, let's see. Market cap creeping up 3 trillion. All right, ETH is going up again. It's just pickling the floor, bro. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking go. ETH and Bitcoin. It's not even just ETH and Bitcoin go. Look at VeChain, bro. VeChain keeps going, pushing 18 cents. Today has been a great day, man. Today has been a great day. It's been the last 2 days have been insane. Not just based off, like, it hasn't been the biggest moves for like Bitcoin and ETH, but the collective market of the like total market cap has been extremely good, man, extremely good. I love pickles. Is anyone still are there any no coiners in the chat? Let me ask the chat, are there any no coiners in the chat? If you're a no coiner and if you have any sense of dignity, raise your hand in the chat if you're a no coiner right now. And we will sing a moment of silence for you. That doesn't make any sense. We will sing the no coiner song, okay, for you if you're a no coiner. Raise your hand if you're a no coiner in the chat, and don't troll. Don't troll. Troll boy Bob said here, no coiners. Michael's not Mike. I know you're not a no coiner, man. Don't troll. Don't be trolling, bro. I know you're not a no coiner. I have no coins. No, you guys are trolling. I can't believe that anyone at this point is a no coiner, unless for the simple fact that you're like, this is the first day you're watching a crypto stream. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I don't believe anyone that says they are. I just don't, because if you're watching the stream at this point in the cycle, I just don't believe you're a no coiner. Those are all trolls. They're all trolls, man. All trolls. All right, let's go check out some of these coins that were asked for. Conut said, can we see the ETH fractal? Oh yeah, the ETH fractal. We haven't looked at that in a while. Let's check out the ETH fractal, guys. Remember our ETH fractal? This is probably gonna look really good. This is probably gonna look so juicy. Oh, it is. It is. This is gonna look. Oh man, I am going to have a giant blank on stream. Let's see. A giant blank. You guys can fill in the blank if you want to. Nope. Not what I want. I want this. And I want to extrapolate this over here. I want to extrapolate this over here. And I want to do this. I mean, we're so ahead of schedule. Hey, we're killing the schedule right now. Killing the schedule.
shout out my mom.
Oh,
Rocket.
Mary Mom. What's going on, Mom Films? Mom Films, what's going on, dude? Hope you're doing well. I'm glad you bought BTC earlier this year. It's probably paying off for you right now. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. All right. But yeah, I mean, we're ahead of schedule. I mean, our fractal was really good back here, but we are ahead of schedule, man. ETH is killing it right now. ETH is killing it. We thought we'd maybe go sideways for a little bit longer, but ETH said,
nope. 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 Nope.
stop pressing nope. We know you like nope. All right. No, but ETH is killing it against the fractal, man. I mean, it was playing out for a while, and then we just decided to move up, man, and not respect the fractal at all. So ETH is looking really juicy. Really, really juicy. 7 minutes into the close, guys. It's throwing me off with this new close time. It's a new close time for me. It probably isn't for you. Sky, I know you're not a no coiner, man. But yeah, dude. What was I gonna say? I forget. I forget what I was gonna say. Can we see the E-Fractal? Check LPT, just so you know you can play the pump song again. Okay. Let's check out LPT real quick, guys. LPT. I don't know what's going on with that, but I guess I can play the pump song with it. Let's see. Yeah, man. Here you go. I keep dabbing today. I have no idea where I keep dabbing today, guys. I don't know why I keep doing it. Just ignore me. But yeah, LPT is pushing up here. Let's see where you hit. He didn't have any fibs. He didn't have any fibs. You know what I mean? So, I mean, in theory, the next target should be 58, 56. You're taking your short-term fib there. Daily RSI is at 80. Crypto's bullish right now. I mean, it's one of those things that I could see this going a little bit higher potentially. Check out the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, you're a little bit high on the 4 hour and the daily. Hourly, you reset a little bit. You could get one more move up to like 58, 56 if you wanted to. ETH is trying to climb back up here. ETH is trying to climb back up. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the close, guys. Oh, yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. This new close time for me is throwing me off. We had daylight savings, and now it's an hour earlier for me. That's why you guys are all like, oh, Jordan, why are you starting the stream late? For me, it's not late. For you, it's late because you stayed at the same time. For us, we're an hour earlier now here. So it's normal for me, but it's throwing everything off now. I don't want to change the time of the stream. We're so used to starting the stream at 7 my time. It throws everything off, man. It throws everything off. And I don't remember earlier this year when I thought the close was always at the same time. So I'm kind of thrown off right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is, I guess. It is what it is. Let's see. Why is Johnny Sins on the Jordan show? The bald guy. Let's see. Yo, Crow. Jordan wins. Dude. Me versus Savvy. Me versus Savvy. Bro. This would be me versus Savvy. Savvy, you want a piece of this? You want a piece of this, Savvy? Come on, Savvy. You want some of this? Jordan, no! Leave me alone! I have thin skin! I have thin skin! Leave me alone! No! No! That's what I thought, Savvy. That's what I thought. Stop being bearish or we won't have to do this. Stop being a bearish troll. Stop.
I need to close the short.
Stop it right now.
I promise I'm not.
No. That'd be me versus Savvy. Litecoin. What's Litecoin doing today, man? I'm sure Litecoin's moving up. I mean, when Bitcoin moves up, usually Litecoin does as well. Let's see. Come out of Savvy. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. 228. I thought you were from Boston, not Jersey. I am from Mass. I'm from Massachusetts, yeah.
Probably lost his underwear today. Rolling on the floor.
All right. 231. 231 for Litecoin. So here's the thing. If Litecoin can break 231, you might have I mean, there's a couple other wicks a little bit higher. You got 231 and then like 239. But after you break those, I mean, hey, you guys know, I always like to poke fun at Litecoin. But if Litecoin can break 239, I mean, there's a good shot of it having a pretty good run up here, potentially. It could be moving up to like 279, right? In reality, Litecoin could be getting a pretty good move if that's the case, you know, in all seriousness. You know, yeah, I always like to poke fun at Litecoin, but Litecoin might be pumping here. Litecoin, if it can break this little range, could be moving up. Could be definitely moving up pretty fast if that's the case, man. If that's the case. So, and Litecoin had a girthy day today. Girthy. How much Litecoin up today? Litecoin up about 13% today. Hey, here you go. There you go. Litecoin's looking good. Litecoin's looking girthy. Guys, let's get to 1,000 likes. We should already be at 1,000 likes right now. We should already be at 1,000 likes. I'm not even going to open up the stats. I don't like to look at those after. I can guarantee you there's more than 1,000 people in here. So there already should be 1,000 likes because you guys love crypto. Okay, so even if you don't like me, which I don't know why I'd be watching the stream if you didn't, you should be hitting that like button, you know? It should be like an automatic thing, you know what I mean? Like, if you guys watch my stream every day... Oh, it's a daily close. Hold on. I'm done ranting. Look at that girthy candle for Bitcoin today, guys. If you've ever seen a girthy candle, this is it, right? This is it as far as a girthy candle goes. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. That is... I wish my candle was that big. I wish my candle was this big. This is a girthy candle, guys. Bitcoin was up like almost 7% of the day. Awesome stuff. Broke our previous high. We have confirmed the breakout. We have confirmed the breakout. We have both closed above the previous all-time high. Okay. Boom. Ray Santos, thank you, man. I appreciate that, dude. That's freaking awesome, man. I appreciate that. That's awesome, dude. I don't know what Ray, I honestly don't know what you do, but hey, if you guys want to follow Ray Santos on Twitter, go ahead. I don't even know what he does, to be honest, but he's always watching the stream, so I appreciate that. I mean, at the very least. But yeah, so we closed above the previous all-time high, highest daily close of all time for Bitcoin. Okay. 1, highest daily close of all time for Bitcoin. 2, have confirmed the breakout. Now, we know yesterday we didn't close above the triangle, but today we did. And we did very, very well. Almost a ridiculous close, 67,500. I have to play the pump song again just for the close, man. I mean, this is ridiculous at this point. This is absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely beautiful, man. I mean, you can't ask for a better close than that. You can't ask for a better close than that. It's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And it's ETH too, man. I mean, look at ETH on the daily. Look at ETH on the daily. Highest daily close for ETH as well. I don't know, man. ETH is just looking really juicy. I'm actually curious if ETH. Yeah, ETH just kind of keeps following this channel, man. It's not a perfect channel, but you get the general sentiment, right? Just a kind of a perfect upwards channel for ETH. I mean, ETH is killing it, bro. ETH and Bitcoin killing it. Let's see what we do here in the new day. Getting an initial pullback, but something tells me that we are not done tonight. Something tells me we are not done. Usually what I've seen is when you open a new day and you see an initial move into a certain direction, to me, it usually doesn't go in that direction. Though yesterday it did. Yesterday we opened and then we were just like, boom, to the upside, right? So I guess they can kind of go both ways. But something tells me we're not done tonight. Something tells me we are just getting started tonight, in my opinion.
Wall Street psychology. Also, Litecoin.
Huh. I'll check it out. So we looked at Litecoin. Hyan Wu Lee. Wait, hold on. Rewind. Hyan Wu Lee. Were you the guy? Hold on.
Rant alert.
Hyan Wu Lee, are you the guy from back in the day that got pissed at me for talking crap about Litecoin? Was that you? Was that you?
Jordan, you gotta fix your clock.
Daylight savings. Was that you, Hyan Wu Lee? I think that was you. And now you're back. I'm gonna welcome you back with open arms, man. We ended our last relationship pretty bad, right? We ended our relationship pretty bad last time as Bitcoin and ETH are coming down a little bit. We ended our last relationship pretty bad. I'm gonna forgive you, okay? I'm gonna forgive you here, okay? And we're gonna move on. We're gonna rekindle our relationship, okay? Just know that I still talk crap about Litecoin. I'm not gonna stop talking crap about Litecoin. It's still a crap coin. It'll still move up, but it's still a crap coin. But I want to rekindle our relationship. I thought we had a good thing going, and I want to apologize, even though I'll still continue to do what I'm doing wrong. Okay? Hyan Wu Lee? Deal? Deal. Okay, perfect.
Rant alert.
Get it. Caesar said Super Farm. Let's take a look at Super Farm. I mean, Bitcoin and ETH are coming down a little bit here, but not really. We got a little bit of dip here. Now we're getting bought back up on both. So nothing too crazy going on there, at least. Little volatility. Everyone panic. Please. Should I buy Litecoin? You probably should. Why is it like Bitcoin? We're not gonna get started. All right. Let's see. All right. There we go. Did he say to buy Litecoin? Everyone's saying that. Everyone's saying that me crapping on Litecoin is a buy signal. So, buy it. It'll go up, right? I mean, if you want to buy Litecoin, guys, it will go up in value. You will make money off Litecoin. Okay? In my opinion, you won't make as much as other coins, but you'll make money. You'll make money off Litecoin. No one said you're not going to make money off of it. All right, Super Farm. Real quick, guys, we'll look at Super Farm. Let me actually just go over here real quick to look at Super Farm. Super Farm. I don't know, holy moly, man. I can't really do much with this. This is, yeah. I can't do anything with this. It's going up in a straight line. You know what I mean? So I'll give you one of these.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
I'll give you one of those, or two of those, I should say. Actually, I think you deserve 3.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Okay, but yeah, I mean, I can't really do much with this. This thing is just going absolutely nuts. This thing's going nuts. Yeah. Congrats, man. Congrats. All right, Bitcoin's getting bought up. ETH's getting bought up. The whales are coming in, guys. Here's the whales. Look, everyone wave to the whales, buying up your Bitcoin that you're panic selling right now, or taking profits on, whatever you're doing. If you take profits, that's fine. Here's the whales buying it up, though. What's going on, whale? Thanks for buying up our Bitcoin, man. Appreciate it. And let's get the ETH whale coming in, too. Everyone wave to the ETH whale. What's going on, ETH whale? Thanks for buying the dip, man. Thanks for buying the dip. You know, thanks for buying it. There you go. See you, man. Peace, ETH whale. All right. ETH whale and Bitcoin whale.
What's going on with a symbol pro? Weary.
Fear and greed. Let's see. Time to FOMO bears. Whale noises. Oh. They'll be back. The next dip, guys, I know you want to see more whales, but we'll see another one when Bitcoin and ETH get another dip at some point. But they'll be back. They'll be back. Don't worry. Sky said, can we look at BAT? Yeah, the bearish BAT, as market makers would say. The bearish BAT pattern. Actually, I was going to type in bearish BAT. Guys, I really got to get the meme. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again, guys. The meme.
How the heck I keep ending up with. Also, I am waiting. You know what
My second response? What's my second response? Oh, Michelle. Michelle, I got you. I got your second response. I got you. I remembered it. I remember. I forgot for a little bit. I remember. Hold on, guys. I gotta kick the bears in the nuts. I gotta do this every day we pump. I gotta kick the bears in the nuts, guys. Hold on 1 second. Boing, boing. This is the bear nuts. This is not gonna work. I need to get that meme, dude. I need to get that meme. I keep forgetting. I gotta add that tomorrow. I gotta add the bear nut kick meme on here. I gotta do it. Let's see. BAT. We look at BAT. See what BAT's doing on the daily. All right, let's continue what's going on here, man. So 146. What is happening? You guys said what's happening. I was kicking the. If you guys haven't seen that meme, you guys won't know what I'm doing if you haven't seen the meme. But the bears don't have nuts. There's a meme where there's a guy that is like getting attacked by a bear, and the bear's standing up, and he just goes boom and just kicks him in the nuts. It's hilarious. You got to see it. You honestly got to see it. It's great. All right, so 146. BAT's probably going to 146 here. It's probably going to 146. Not they're really stopping it to go to 146. Daily RSI looks good. And there's nothing stopping it, man. I mean, this thing is going really nuts right now. Wick there. If that breaks, you could be pushing the higher at 160, man. I mean, BAT is looking really, really good. Really, really good. Really, really good. Bitcoin ETH coming down again. Will it get bought up again? We shall see, man. We shall see if it does. All right, we did BAT. STH, what's going on, man? Appreciate that, dude. Shaver said, yo, could you check out my... Oh, we did that. Byron said, not a no coiner, but the bag I own feels like it. Did you look at XVG? Dude, no bag is too small, man. No bag is too small with crypto. You gotta understand, if you get in early enough, you know, and you might obviously have a different definition of early. If you get in early enough, the smallest bag could turn into life-changing money. I mean, trust me, the smallest bag can change. It might not be like enough where you can like quit your job, but it'll be enough where it's going to change your life in some type of way, right? I mean, never think your bag is too small. It's crypto, right? Obviously, make sure you're taking profits on the way up. You don't get too greedy, obviously. But it's crypto, you know? No bag is too small. No bag is too small in crypto, is what I got to say. Actually, looks like you got to... no. That doesn't make too much sense, does it now? So this looks like you broke this downtrend of resistance, came up, you back tested it, and now you're getting to move up higher, man. You're getting to move up higher, and I mean, in theory, this one should eventually move up, just like the other ones that kind of did the same thing, right? I mean, we've seen coins like Matic, we've seen coins like AMP, we've seen coins like, it's another example we can think of here, VeChain, forgetting a big one, ETC, right? These coins that are consolidating for so long, but now we're starting to move up after, like we said, a long time of not moving up at all. So XVG, now you just need to get the juice. You've done the hard part. You've broken the resistance. You back tested it. Now you just need to get that juice to continue higher. It's all about the juice, guys. It's all about the juice. We all need that pickle juice, as we like to say. Jazz. Do I spot a wild jazz? Wow. I never thought I would spot a wild jazz again. I'm just playing. What's going on? Let's see. Wow. Ecoms. That's crazy too. Hope Algo's there with you. Let's see. So XVG, looking for that move up, honestly. No coiner here. Sky, don't be playing games, man. Don't be playing games, dude. I appreciate my man Sky. Sky KC. Hey, Sky, the Pats are coming for the Chiefs, man. The Pats are coming for the Chiefs. The Pats are on a roll right now. Back up to 5-4. Pats are on a roll. Mac, baby. Mac daddy. Let's go. Giordano, stop pumping, please. I need to close the short in my hedge. I promise I'm not a bear. You probably shouldn't. I mean, I guess right now probably still different, but back when you did that, it probably wasn't a good idea to short, man. I always say, don't short Bitcoin in an uptrend. Do not short Bitcoin in an uptrend. I repeat, guys, if you guys are on Bybit, okay? If Carl's got you over on Bybit, all right? Or I don't know. If I've got you over on Bybit, do not be shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. I'll tell you that right now. Especially with leverage. Do not be shorting Bitcoin in a uptrend. Okay, I'll repeat it one more time. Do not be shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. Don't be doing it, man. Don't be doing it. Or guess what? Your portfolio is going to be saying this.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero. Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
All right? That's what your portfolio is going to be saying. So don't be doing it. Don't be doing it. Thanks for the homie Jabba. My guy probably lost his underwear today. Guys, Jabba... guys, Jabba, he's blind. Jabba's blind. I didn't want to tell you guys this, but my brother's now blind. If you guys didn't watch the stream last night, he decided to blind himself with lights because we never wanted to short again. So last night, he literally took lights and blinded himself, so he can't see the screen, so he can never short again. He's blind. I didn't want to tell you guys this. I'm getting emotional right now because I didn't want to tell you this. You know, we can go see him if you want. It's pretty sad. I mean, I don't know if you guys want to go see him. If you want to see him, let me know in the chat. I don't know if you guys want to see him. It's pretty sad, man. It's pretty sad. It's sad. Did he sell his eyes? Let's go see him. Let's go see him. Like I said, he might need a second to get to the screen because he's blind. So let's go see what he's doing, man. Hold on, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming. My eyes. My eyes.
etc. for this.
How does it work? Am I in front of the screen? Jordan? Am I in front of the screen? I can't see. I never can short again. No. Help me. Guys, I need help. I'm blind. My eyes. Jordan, am I in front of the screen again? Am I in front of the screen? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Guys, I need your help. I need replacement eyes. I need replacement eyes. I need your help. Please. I already lost my shoes. I can't lose my eyes. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
All right, we're done. Holy crap, man. Holy crap. Oh, man. That's too good. That's too good. Jabba, don't worry, they have... Okay. All right, we're good. We're good, guys. Let's see. Enjoying the ride, my friend. My stash hodling is full of good times. XCAT, FTM, Galax, AVAX in my bags. Hope everyone is super green. There you go. Lupus. Hope you're doing well. It's a good time in crypto land right now. It's a good time in crypto land. All right? Seriously. VeChain Nation said, anything stopping VeChain from hitting all-time highs? Anything stopping VeChain for hitting all-time highs? What's VeChain doing, guys? Is anything stopping it? No. I mean, nothing's stopping it. As you guys like to know, I mean, VeChain is doing extremely well right now. I don't think anything's stopping VeChain. I don't see anything stopping VeChain at the current moment. But yeah, I mean, going absolutely nuts. 18.8 cents is that next target for VeChain. And then, like we said, after that, VeChain could be pushing higher to 25 cents-ish, right? 25 cents. VeChain's looking super good, man. Super good, VeChain Nation. Your name is VeChain Nation. So out of anyone, you should know how good VeChain looks, okay? Because you're literally VeChain Nation. Ray Santos, thank you again, man. Muad said, hey, Jordan, been with you for quite a bit now. Love the stream. Can you check EFI? Got in at 70 cents. Yeah, we'll check it. Looks like Bitcoin and ETH are trying to move up again. Trying is the key word. I'm not sure if they will, but we'll go over to Bitcoin and ETH in just a second, guys. What is it? EFI, I got it at 70 cents. Let's check it out. I got it at 70 cents. Well, that's impossible because it never was at 70 cents.
Just about right for me. But with this law,
I think someone's Pinocchioing. Someone's got Pinocchio. He said, I get it at 70 cents. And this is what his nose looks like now. We've never hit 70 cents, Pinocchio. Pinocchio. Don't be telling fibs you got it at 70 cents. It's never been there. It got the 70.6 cents. Okay? So don't be lying, Mueds. Don't be lying. All right? To all of us, you're going to look like, your nose is going to look like this if you continue to lie. I'm telling you right now, you don't want to become Pinocchio. Don't do it. No, but in all seriousness, 70.6, I mean, if you got it at 70.6, I'm just kidding. 180, you said, should you take profit strategy? I mean, this would be a level, I mean, you only have one resistance left. This would be a good level to take some profit at. Because this is definitely a level where you could get some type of pullback at, for sure. I mean, after that, there's nothing left, right? There's nothing left. I think the best take profit strategy you would have for this is some type of Fibonacci's where you take that swing high to swing low and just kind of make your way on the Fibonacci's. I mean, that's what I would do. I mean, take profit here, 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 as it kind of continues to go up, right? Obviously, everyone has a different strategy, but that's mainly what I do. Mainly what I do. I look at Fibonacci levels, and you know, I go a lot of times. I go off gut feeling too. Like if we're moving up way too fast, for instance, I might take a little bit extra. But I mean, this is looking good. After that, I mean, you're in like what we like to call it, blue sky territory. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. All right, Bitcoin's trying to move up again, 67.5. Let's see what Bitcoin can do here, guys. 67.5. 15K VeChain. $15,000 VeChain. 100K VeChain. Why is everyone saying an 11K VeChain? What? Is that what I said? Did I say that by accident? Did I say that by accident? I probably did, didn't I? Let's see. Joseph said, may you please check out DVPN, good sir. Yeah, you have a sad face, man. I'm assuming that it's dumping. I don't like the sad face, man. Let's check out what is it? DVPN? What is that? Oh, I guess it does exist. Whoa! Whoa! Wow. You got destroyed, man. I don't know if you bought this, but GG. GG, man. Bitcoin said $589 VeChain. Holy worked out. In all seriousness, man, I mean, this thing is just, I don't know if this is actually, is this a stable, I'm actually not kidding. Is this a stable coin? Because it sure looks like a stable coin. Look at that on the hourly, man. Is this a stable coin? Because in reality, I mean, it's literally, I mean, for the most part, I've been staying in a range. I can't really do much with this. I mean, it's in a range besides one giant wick. That's about it, man. That's about it. That's all you got. Hopefully you didn't buy this. I mean, if you didn't buy this, I mean, I think you're fine. But I mean, this is just pure sideways.
A few recommendations for
Pure sideways.
I'm in the U.S. I do want
Daily really not giving you too much yet. 4 hour really not giving you too much yet, to be honest. If anything, you have bearish divergence. Bitcoin's going again. Rise. coming back down. Don't wanna party. Joseph will follow you from now on. Appreciate it, Joseph. Appreciate it, man. If any of you guys are new to the channel, there's a lot of new people coming in crypto right now. I think yesterday we had, I think we had 300 new, close to 300 new subscribers on one stream, which is insane. That's insane. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe, man. Goal is still 100K by the end of the year. I don't know if that's going to happen. I still think it's possible because I still think more and more new people are going to come into the stream or are going to come into crypto. If we can do it, great. I appreciate everyone who does. We're here every day, literally every day. Occasionally, recently, I've been taking like one night off a week, and I've been streaming a little bit earlier. But I at least stream every day. I do a stream every single day. Anyone can vouch for me. I do a stream every single day. Sometimes I might do a little early or late, but you know, we have been consistent here. We've been consistent. Let's see. Check out Cardano price in the daily versus the Wall Street psychology chart. It's an exact match. Also looked like the wick off. What do you think? The wick off. Looks like the wick off. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a daily wick off accumulation pattern. But yeah, I can definitely see the sentiment of it looking like the Wall Street, you know, like you have that first sell off, and then you have you go up. But yeah, I can definitely see that sentiment. I can definitely see sort of a wick off accumulation zone set in here. And if this can continue up here, which looks like it's trying to, I mean, Cardano's trying its hardest here. It's struggling a little bit. It's struggling a little bit, but definitely could be some juice to maybe, like we know, we broke this downtrend of resistance. This could be the juice to finally get Cardano to get some type of price action to the upside. It's been due. It's been due for Cardano. It really has. It really has. Let's see. Jordan, you got to fix your clock. Daylight savings. See, my clock is normal. It's 7, guys. Where I am right now, it's 7:30. Okay, it's 7:30 right now. Okay, it's literally 7:30 right now. It's 7:30 right now. So, not looking too shabby, man. I don't know. I don't know what time it is for you guys, but it might be a different time. For you, it might be normal time that it was, you know. But nothing has changed as far as time, man.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, BTC. Get up. Get up, boy. It hates price action. It does. It does. It definitely does hate price action. Let's see. Is Shibit a bull flag? Oh, no. Hold on. Blue Collar Jose said, Joe, what's going on with Assemble Protocol, ASM? ASM's been, let's see. ASM. KDA bounce zones? I don't know what KDA bounce zones is. Let's see. KDA bounce zones. ASM. Basically 0.70. No, ASM. I mean, just a classic. What you call it? A classic symmetrical triangle pattern, right? So you're going up and down and up and down and up and down. Okay, classic. Breakout target for this, if you did extrapolate this to the upside, would be approximately, right? And I repeat, guys, approximately would put you upwards of 31.9 cents. Crypto's in a bullish trend. I expect this to break to the upside ultimately, right? You're bouncing off support right now. Let's see what happens. But just a giant consolidation pattern here for you for ASM. I mean, simple as that. You just gotta wait for this breakout. That's been good. It's been like patterns going on for like 9 days or so. I guess it's not huge, but it's definitely a sizable pattern, as you would say. You know, better extrapolate it to the downside.
Nope. Nope.
Extrapolate it to the downside. Country Jordan. Why are you saying country Jordan? Did I have a country accent for a second? Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. Who knows? Let's see. Ryan, is SHIB in a bull flag? SHIB? SHIB. I think we were talking about SHIB a while ago, and SHIB wasn't a bull flag. Yeah, it probably still is. Let's see. It was, and then it didn't. I mean, was that a fake out? Like, could you draw it like this, and was that just a giant fake out? Definitely could be. I mean, I don't know how else you would draw this as a flag, unless you looked at it in the daily, maybe. Yeah, I don't know if there's a flag here on SHIB anymore, and unless you're gonna look at it like this and think that maybe you get one more test at the downside in that case. But I mean, I guess you could draw it like this, and it would be some type of flag, okay, or downwards channel, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I mean, up, down, up, down, up, but you haven't. Yeah, do you come back down one more time? That's the question. Does SHIB come back down one more time, or does it break out here? That is thy question for SHIB. Daily's really not telling us much. 4 hour is 4 hour in. 4 hour might be a little bit of a flag, possibly. Why I did an arrow, I don't know. But just use the arrow. Use the arrow at this point, guys. This could end up being a wedge as well, you know. But either way, I think this is going to be some type of bullish formation, and this should break to the upside, no matter whether it's a wedge or a bull flag, right? So SHIB, for all the SHIB holders out there, this could definitely reverse to the upside here at some point. Like I said, I expect SHIB to continue up. I don't think SHIB's done, guys. I don't think SHIB is done. If you think SHIB is done, well, you can talk to Final Stand, right? Final Stand will say otherwise. Do you guys actually watch Final Stand, by the way? I gotta ask. Do any of you guys watch Final Stand? Yes or no in the chat. If you do, well, it's fine, I guess. It's fine. We're not gonna say too much. Ryan said, Jordan, are your hands really as small as they look on camera? No, my hands are pretty big, man. My hand's bigger than my head on the camera. My hand's definitely not small. My hand is bigger than my head. See? I don't know. Why do you say my hands look small? I actually have pretty good sized hands. I can palm a basketball. I have pretty good sized hands. I can palm a basketball. I can, you guys are like, Jordan, please don't do that. There's many things I can palm, all right? But we'll say we'll keep it with basketball, okay? We'll keep it with basketball. Baby hands. Why have I baby hands? What the heck? Final Stand sucks. Matt Wallace, old face. All right, let's move on. Jordan, are your hands big hands, big feet? All right, Jordan. I know we already did that one. Ryan, that was a really random question, man. I appreciate the question though. I really do. It's Alaskan fishermen catching fresh salmon. What? Fishermen catching fresh salmon by stealing it from the bears. Oh, we're stealing the fish from the bears. We're stealing the whales from the bears. Right, let's give a whale in here. I like the whale. What's going on, whale? Everyone wave to the whale. He's buying up the dip. We need another one to buy up the dip. ETH prediction for this week. For this week? It's tough, man. It's tough. I mean, we've already had such a big run for ETH. Not going to count it out, though. Now, the daily, the 4 hour, actually look at the daily. The daily still has room to run. I don't think ETH is done this week, guys. I don't think Bitcoin or ETH are done this week. I really don't. Now, you could have a day where you pull back. You could have 2 days where you pull back. But I don't think that Bitcoin is done this week. I think we'll ultimately be above 67,500 by Sunday. You know, if I had to guess. And for ETH, I would predict that we would be higher than 4,800 by Sunday. If I had to guess. It's just my guess. I could be wrong. But like I've said, I think this week is going to be a doozy. I think this week is going to be a doozy. Right? A big doozy. 5K. As far as a price prediction, I don't like giving price predictions, man. I mean, they're always wrong. Just look at BitBoy's, what is it? Not Halloween. Valentine's Day ETH prediction, right? I remember that back in the day. That was so long ago, man. That was what, in February? Holy crap. Holy crap, man. That was so long ago. I can't even remember that long ago. To be fair. Stablecoin? Check it out. We got 22 minutes until this close, guys, or the hourly close at least. And if this can close like this, I mean, I like that for continuation up. All right, here comes the corn. Here comes the corn. Come on, corn. Come on, corn. Maybe if I just call it the corn, it'll keep going up. Corn, go. Go, corn. Come on, corn. Come on, corn. It's working. It's working. Hey, corn, go. Corn. Okay, it's not working anymore. I'm done. I'm done calling it corn. Yeah, that Java was just about right for me today. But with ETH, love your show. Even the roller coaster. Thank you, man. Appreciate you hanging out. Dad, can you please check out DVPN? We looked at DVPN. I don't know why you're calling me dad. I don't want to be a dad right now. I don't want to be a dad right now. Joe, I'm sorry, man. I cannot accept you as my son. Okay? Prony said some TA on Atlas. Also, Vex change comes tomorrow. First DEX for VeChain. Sure. Check Atlas. Sure. Corn. Atlas. Let's see. Atlas is moving up, man. Moving up the ranks here. Moving up the ranks. Does it have any fib levels left? Let's check. Swing high, swing low. Coming up on the golden pocket. Little golden pocket. The golden pocket, man. I'm in a good mood, guys. I apologize, man. I apologize. 20 cents. I think ultimately the 0.618. You're probably going up to the 0.618 at this point, at least to test. At least to test the 0.618 at 20 cents. And then after that, you have the 786, which is sitting at approximately about 23.5. And then after that, I mean, you're golden. You're golden. Daily RSI, no bearish divergence. Room to run up if it wants. 4 hour, no bearish divergence. Room to run up if it wants. And the hourly, you had bearish divergence on the hourly, but it already played out. And now we actually have bullish divergence on the hourly with lower lows and higher lows on the hourly. So Atlas, I mean, I think Atlas goes to 20 cents here relatively soon. Relatively soon. But we'll see. We'll see. Ada's going up. Look at Ada. Double. We're almost on KDA, man. KDA. I'm almost there, man. I'm almost there. Don't wanna party. Who's calling me a crab now, huh? Who's calling me a crab? I may still be a crab. But I am a tasty crab now. You can cook me and you can eat me. They call me Ada. They call me the crab. But you know what? I'm a tasty crab. I'm a tasty crab. I'm a tasty crab. Oh, man. Ada. 215. 215. We're moving up, man. You're only up about 1.5%, but hey, I will take it, man. I will take it. Could this breakout of this downtrend of resistance be the juice that gets Ada to finally start moving? That's the question. It's good to see it at least moving now, even though it's not mooning or anything. It's good to see it at least moving. So Ada looks really good. Bitcoin's moving up. I was a ninja. I was a little ninja. 67,720. And ETH is going up too. ETH is going up to 48.10 for ETH, 67,716 for Bitcoin. I don't think we're done. Like I said, guys, even when we were coming down here, I don't think we're done. I don't think we're done tonight. I said the same thing yesterday. I don't think we're done tonight. I do not think we're done. Not even one bit. Not even one bit.
Nope.
Jordan the Hood. the hoodie string pull. I love the hoodie string pull. Let's see. Where were we at here? We did Atlas, right? Yeah, we did Atlas. Blocktopia? I got you a mod for Blocktopia, man. Man, do I get off Bitcoin here? We'll go real quick off Bitcoin, guys. We'll go real quick off Bitcoin. Blocktopia. Oh no, there's no C. There's no C. Blocktopia. Was this the one that was in a? Yeah. Looks like a nice little clean back test eventually, but can you get the juice up? Can you get the juice up? That's the question here. You know, you had a nice, it was sort of a nice little flag that played out nicely here, but can you get the juice now? Well, it looks like you broke out. You back tested it once, back tested it, back tested it, back tested it. Finally got the juice off of it, but now you're coming right back down, right? So you haven't really gotten thy juice just yet. And if anything, this is still a downtrend of resistance coming down. Ultimately, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on this. Still got that downtrend of resistance. Ultimately, you have to break out of this. And then on the downside now, you actually have a straight line of support coming across. So could this end up being some type of descending triangle? It could. It could. So obviously keep this in mind. Though even the descending triangles can often break to the upside in bull markets. Keep that in mind. But you're definitely going to have to see a move probably within the next 2 days. You'll probably see a move, whether it's the upside or downside for Blocktopia. You got a nice cool off on the daily. It's exactly what you needed. I'm going to assume this breaks up. And I know it's just kind of like, all right, Jordan, you're going to say everything's going up. Well, here's the thing. Crypto's bullish, guys. And especially when Bitcoin's mooning, okay, which it's doing pretty good right now. We can say that. Most things are going to break to the upside, even in bearish patterns. It's just kind of how crypto is. And that's what makes crypto awesome, because it's just how it is, man. How it is. But did I just hear a swear? Did I just hear a swear? What the heck? Don't swear at me, robot. The heck is wrong with you? Jeez. 67,750 for Bitcoin. The corn. And ETH is looking pretty good too. ETH got bought right back up, man. Let's get a whale in there. Let's say hi to the Bank of Canada guy too.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
But yeah, I mean, dude, you subscribe because of my energy? Thank you, man. I mean, I'm always pretty energetic, man. I'm always pretty energetic on here because dude, this is my favorite thing to do every day. It's literally my favorite thing to do every day. Today I had to jump on early. We've been live. How long have we been live for? What time did we start today, guys? We started at 6-ish my time. We've been live to close to 2 hours now. But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's, I don't think it's done, man. Hopefully it happens on stream here. Hopefully it doesn't wait till later, but I'm doing pretty good. A few recommendations for another trading app. I've used a couple, but I'm in the US. Binance US, Ucoin. Those are two good ones I'd recommend if you wanted to check those out. But yeah, those are probably the two ones I would say. Stuart Webb, what's up, man? I subscribe because you say Lily. It sounds like I'm saying Italy, but I add a L on there. You know, Italy, Lily. Man, it was basically 70 cents. 70 cents. Man. Double up said KDA bounces zones.
How about a look at
KDA bounce zones. Well, something tells me it probably already bounced. Let's see. Kadena. Oh, this is the one that's getting hyped up by who hyped up this coin, guys? There was some YouTuber who was hyping up this coin, man. This thing is actually performing pretty well, though, to be fair. You're pulling back. What is the bounce zones? Well, best thing we can do here is bring up a little Fibonacci zones. So you're at your first one, actually. So you're at your 0.5 fib. This would be the first one I would look at. Is this zone right here? You know, this could be the zone where you bounce from, in theory. If you do come a little bit lower, obviously the golden pocket between the 618 and the 0.65, somewhere around 1295 would be the second level. I don't see you go much lower than that, especially on a coin this bullish. That should be all the pullback you need, right? The daily should reset pretty well there. 4 hours, nicely reset. You actually have bullish divergence forming on the 4 hour time frame. So I do think you get a bounce at one of these two levels here. You already have bullish divergence on the 4 hour, hourly, not anything on the hourly, but I'm liking that 4 hour setup with higher lows, lower lows. Come on, BTC. Link is pumping. Link is pumping. There goes Link. ETC is going too. Look at ETC. ETC finally breaking out. Hold on. This is important, guys. This is important. ET Sizzle. Yes. Yes. ET Sizzle, rise. Rise, my friend. Downtrend resistance broken. Back tested. Juice coming in. You're getting the juice. Rise. ETC broken this important resistance right there at 57.5715. Rise, ETC. Rise, my friend. Rise, my friend. ETC looking good too. Let's see if we can keep that momentum up, but hopefully the FOMO starts going into ETC. That was kind of my play with ETC. That was kind of my play. It's the original ETH. It's the original ETH. It's the original ETH. That's so true. WTF. Reek Matic is the stablecoin. Matic was going off. You guys gotta remember, Matic was going nuts for a while, man. So it's fine. If Matic wants to consolidate for a little bit, that's fine. Matic was going nuts. Went from $1 to $2.20 in a few weeks, right? So here's the thing, like, that's fine. That's fine. We're okay with that for Matic. What's Matic doing now? Well, I guess it's not really doing much. Let's see. Keeps getting support. Right, her. 1 support, 2 support, 3 support. Could you build in some longer term descending triangles? Sure. A little bit too early to tell. It's a little bit too early to tell on this guy. Way too early to tell, honestly. But you're hoping to get a little more price action here. Could consolidate for a little bit. Let the daily RSI cool off a little bit more. Hourly's good. 4 hours good. So I don't think there's anything wrong here. Just a matter of, allowing Matic to consolidate after a massive run to the upside. And it's getting pretty close to all-time highs. It's not too far from all-time highs. Or at least when it went up to 220, it wasn't too far. So Matic's looking fine, man. Just a little consolidation. The Bulb said he didn't check out KDA for me. I think I did. I think I did KDA. I already did KDA. The Italian Apple. So what do you think about ETN? An Italian Apple? How can you be an Italian? Ma! I don't want an American apple. I want an Italian one. I don't want American. Ma! I want to side with my meatloaf tonight. I want an Italian apple. Not an American one. Come on, you know this. Bring it to me. Bring it to me right now. No, I'm not having a temper tantrum. I'm 35. Bring it to me. Italian apple, man. What the heck is that? No sound. Let's see. ETN. That's a spicy apple. ETN Electronium. What's going on with Electronium? I have no idea what's going on with this. Let's see. Let's see what's going on, man. Italian applesauce. Cocktail fruit. Jabba the Short, so this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. We got Jabba the Short in the chat. You guys see Jabba the Short in the chat? There he is. Jabba, how are you chatting? You're blind. You can't see. Jabba the Short's in here. How can you chat? You're blind. He said the guy has no idea what he's talking about. All right. That's pretty funny. So extrapolate it up. You are going to put this up here. No volume. Yeah, we got no volume, guys. We got no volume. So ETN, you had a nice bull flag forming, man. Kaboom, 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 kaboom. Nice bull flag forming, okay? To get your target, you're going to take your flagpole, which is boom to boom, like a little flag. You get it? And you extrapolate this to the breakout point, which you're going to assume that you're going to break out here at some point soon, especially if Bitcoin continues to rise. 3.6 cents would be your eventual target there. Ultimately. So let's see what Electronium wants to do next. Okay, just to give you guys another example. I mean, you had another one here. Another one here that broke to the upside. And if we actually took the flagpole and we extrapolated this one to the upside, in theory, actually, I think I messed that up. Hold up. Let's take this flagpole and extrapolate this to the upside. Would have put you pretty close to that target there. So that was a nice little setup. But we'll see if this does the same. See if this does the same. Just another flag upside. Okay. All right. Bitcoin's chilling. BTC's chilling. BTC's chilling. Man, can you check out Flux? Oh man, I think that's the one where I thought sounded like a swear, but it wasn't. Let's see. FLUX. FLUX. Let's see. Let's see. All right. So Flux on the 4-hour.
Can you look at ENJ and
ENJ and Mana? We sure can. Why not? Swing low to swing high. Let's check out our fibs. You actually closed right at the 4236 for Flux. I mean, this one really doesn't have any price structure left. I mean, unless we go on like the super short-term time frames. Let's go to the hourly. See what we maybe got cooking here. What do we got cooking? What do we got cooking in the building, man? Let's see. So previous resistance, flipping to new support. And I mean, this could, it's just not any fibs to really take from this, you know? There's really not. So you're kind of just running blind here. I don't know if you can maybe, a little bit too early to say, but take it from candle bodies. I mean, you might be forming some type of wedge, but here's the thing. This would be a good area to bounce from. I mean, I like this little setup here, but the thing is, you just got to get the juice to bounce back up here. I mean, ultimately, if this ended up breaking out, your target would be up here, back up to 190 or so. But let's see if this plays out. It's not a perfect pattern per se, but you get the general sentiment, you know? You get the general sentiment, what I'm saying here. Target could be 190. If this breaks, I mean, you definitely could be going some lower here. I think ultimately 120 would be the first support level I'd watch if this does break to the downside ultimately. You know? Come on, Bitcoin! Don't make me bring out Karen. All right, she's coming out. I came to this stream for pumpage. I did not come to this stream for boring altcoin analysis. I came for Bitcoin pumpage. If I don't see Bitcoin pumpage right now, I want to speak to the manager. Okay? I'm already pissed off because I came in here and we're talking about Flux. We're talking about Blocktopia. All right? I want to see Bitcoin pumpage and I want to see it right now, Jordan. If I don't see it right now, I'm unsubscribing. I want to talk to your manager. I'm disliking the video. I'm doing everything I possibly can in my power to make your day a living crap. All right? So give me Bitcoin pumpage right now. I want to see it right now. Right now, Jordan. Right now. All right. Karen's going off. She really wants to see Bitcoin. I want to see Bitcoin pumpage too. Right? I want to see Bitcoin pumpage too. Oh, it might be working. It's working. 684. Volume. Join late. Just want to make sure nothing has changed. Sir, dude, nothing has changed. We're mooning.
Nothing has changed.
Sir, dude, we're mooning, bro.
changed.
Nothing has changed, bro. Nothing has changed. The only thing that might have changed might be the spot where Vitalik might have put his booger. Okay? Let's take a look at Vitalik's booger. All right, let's guys, this is important analysis. Look at how deep he gets in. He's getting super deep. Look at it. He flicks it on his hand. He goes back in. To get a second dig. There he is. There's Vitalik, the owner of Ethereum, or the creator of Ethereum. And he puts it right on the wall in a different spot this time. He picks it up, and he even picks it up after and puts it onto a different spot of the wall. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. I love Vitalik. Love him. He's my father-in-law. How could I not love my wife's father? How could I not do that? He's mining for, I love that, dude. He's mining for ETH. He's mining for ETH. All right, let's look at glitch real quick, because there's a glitch in the system, man. There's a glitch in the system. Thanks for the Booker replay. Oh, I love it, man. That never gets old to me, the Booker replay. Glitch. Juicy Booger. Good TA. Thank you, QM, man. QM said good TA. Oh, look at glitch, man. There's definitely not a glitch in the system on this one. This one is definitely not glitchy. This one's definitely not glitchy, man. Hold on, let me I gotta refresh myself, dude. I mean, I'm a little bit blurry right now. It's probably because I'm breathing in the mic. Or I'm breathing in the screen, bro. Holy crap. Now I'm just a big camera. There we go, I'm back. Let's take out our fibs, right? Let's take swing high to swing low and see what we're cooking up. So we actually get a nice move up to the 1.618, guys. Nice move up to the 1.618 for glitch. You got initial resistance, consolidated for a few days, and now continuing up. In theory, guys, if this is to respect the fibs, I mean, 247 would be the next target for glitch. Do you have enough juice to get up there? I mean, you're at close to an 80 on the RSI, right? You are at close to an 80, so keep that in mind, okay? At the end of the day, you can't get too overbought on this. But ultimately, 247 is that next target. You could maybe get a pullback first. Okay, if we zoom in a little bit here, let's actually see what glitch is doing. The glitch break because I'm seeing a little bit of wedgie with my third eye. Don't ask me how I can see these things. I just can, even on a higher time frame. I mean, dude. I mean, look at you had a wedgie, and this was so bullish that it broke a bearish wedgie to the upside. How many times have we seen this in crypto? And this is why I keep saying even bearish patterns can break to the upside, guys. Bearish pattern broke to the upside. Actually, no. I take it back. I didn't have it on the wick. I was blind for a second. I was blind. Okay, you didn't quite break it out yet. You're right at resistance right now. Let's see if this can break out. I got a little bit ahead of myself. I was going on my bullish crypto rant. If this can break out, though, I mean, it's super bullish. Like I said, the daily's a little bit overbought. So if you came back down here one more time to test this previous high as well, back down to like 156, and then went up, that would probably be the more bullish thing to do here for glitch, in all honesty. All right. All right, we did glitch. Glitch is a glitch in the system. Engine and mana. All right, let's do engine and mana. Engine and mana. Let's see. Let's see. Engine. All right, there we go. Engine is looking to be in a rising channel. Now, could this end up at some point being bearish? Well, like we said, yeah, a lot of these times that these rising channels, you can just continue to stay in these rising channels or eventually break to the upside out of them. But you can see the clear trend line coming up, clear trend line coming up on both sides. Clear trend line coming up on both sides. So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Engine's looking pretty juicy. I mean, you just bounced off the support, guys. You just bounced off the support. You know, so if this was to bounce back up, I mean, and just continue the pattern of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If it just continued its pattern, which is a trader's paradise, by the way, could put you somewhere up close to like $3.90 to $4, depending on how much or how long it takes you to get up there, in theory. You got bullish div. This is pointing to a bounce. As long as Bitcoin can continue holding the bullish frame, right? Let's see. So we did that. Oh, mana. Actually, I haven't looked at mana in a few days. What's mana up to, guys? What is mana up to? This Bitcoin's really not doing I mean, it already pumped. It already pumped right in the beginning of the stream. It was great. Guys, you have to admit, can we rewind real quick? How perfect, if you guys have been here since the beginning of the stream, how perfect was the start of the stream? How perfect was that? I was waiting for a breakout of a certain trend line. It actually played out perfectly. We broke it, started the stream. 5 seconds later, we started pumping. That was great. That was the best start of the stream ever. You couldn't have asked for a better start of the stream. Honestly. I don't know where I would likes, guys. I assume that we're probably over 1,000 already. But if we can get to 1,500, I won't complain. I won't complain whatsoever. All right, what's Mana doing? No, Mana had a massive run to the upside, right? Mana, 75 cents to $5. What a run for Mana. I love Mana. Mana was being so boring for a while, though. Let's see. Mana. Let's see. We kind of talked about this. Obviously, you're cutting off some wicks, right? But here's the thing. I'm not too worried about those wicks. You're sort of the downwards channel, and it's another, I think it's just another bull flag forming again for Mana. You know, we've sort of talked about all these bull flags, but this one's huge. And if this one played out, this would put you somewhere around back upwards of 566 potentially for Mana on the potential breakout, right? If this was to play out the way we thought. So Mana is looking juicy. On the daily, I mean, this thing's went actually nuts. You cooled off the daily RSI nicely. You cooled off the 4-hour RSI nicely. Even on the short-term time frames, it looks like it's just getting ready again, right? Look at this. You had an upwards impulse. Now you got a smaller bull flag inside of a bigger bull flag, right?
Have a chance of a pump anytime soon.
So this will probably end up moving to the upside too. And this would break you out of the bigger one, in theory, if it was to play out like it's supposed to. And obviously crypto's bullish too, so that definitely helps. If crypto is bearish, well, we probably say,
Nope.
Mana, are you going to break out?
Nope.
Mana, are you going to break out?
Nope.
But that's not the case right now. That's not the case. Spark Point Clo. Nothing has changed? Yeah, sir, dude. Nothing's changed, man. Snoozer said Clo. Clo. What's Clo doing? What is Clover? I feel like I think I'm talking to a clover. What is this doing? What is this doing, man? We got anything cooking in the building here? Anything cooking for Clo? Let's see. It had like a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Oh, by the way, guys. I have to ask you this. Because I watched. I have to comment on this because this was hilarious. It just reminded me. If you guys watch Savvy stream, not the one today, the one before this, and he was looking at some head and shoulders pattern that was not even close to a head and shoulders. It was completely made up. I don't even know where this guy got this from, bro. It's even worse than the bat. Where was it, man? Where was this head and shoulders pattern he was looking at, man? Oh, it was this, bro. This was the head and shoulders that Savvy was looking at, man. Hold on. This was pitiful, man. This I don't know what the heck he was looking at. He said this is what he was saying was a head and shoulders pattern. Okay. He said this was a left shoulder. Like, what is this? What is this? It's a line. That ain't no left shoulder. He said this was the head. Okay, whatever. And he said this was the right shoulder. Bro, what is this? What is this? This is not. No. Completely. What is it? This is not a shoulder. There's no hole. There's no hole. If anything, it's an upside down shoulder. It's a friggin' upside down shoulder. What is this, bro? Don't be drawing upside down shoulders, man. And then it just did the opposite. Boink. Anyways. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. Anyways, what were we talking about? Clo. This one, actually had a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, the way you're supposed to. You broke out. You back tested it as support. Okay? Makes sense. Back tested it as support. And then you moon back up, came back down. So what's going on? What's going on? Do you have the juice to continue higher? Well, let's zoom in on this little price action here. Let's look at the 4-hour here. What is going on here? Well, looks like a whole bag of nothing. Looks like a whole bag of nothing. That's what it looks like to me. Yes, I mean, it's not, you guys know, I mean, it's downwards channel. It's not, it's a little bit too long to be a bull flag, right? A little bit too long to call a bull flag. Like, what is, I guess it still could be. Ultimately, to break out, you want to break this downtrend of resistance. If you break this downtrend of resistance, you're going to continue higher. If you break this support, you probably come back down to test this trend line again, back down to like 7.8 cents or so, or 0.78 cents, my bad. You probably come back down to that level, ultimately, if that happens. If that happens. Let's see. Let's see, do that. All right, so Clo, that's ultimately waiting for Clo. But ultimately, you got the bullish breakout, you got the back test, you just need the upwards momentum, man. You just need the upwards momentum. Spark Point. Check out Spark Point. What's Bitcoin doing? Absolutely nothing. I guess we've used up the pumps, guys. I mean, it's okay that we're not pumping right now. We've had plenty of pumps on stream lately. At least the last 2 days. I was out of breath earlier today. Last night, guys, I woke up this morning and I was sore. I was sore, man. It was great. I was really sore. Ultimately, I mean, it was nice. It was nice. I was dancing the entire stream. The entire stream, man. What did Savvy say to ban you? Savvy didn't ban me in his stream. He banned me in his Discord. All I said in his Discord, guys, I repeat, all I said was the price action. This is exactly what I said, word for word. And there's people that can back this up. All I said is we look really bearish right now. No laughing face, no extra, no sarcasm at all. All I said is we look really bearish right now. So that's all I said. And I'm still offended to this day. Haven't gotten an apology. Have not gotten one apology. But it's okay. I'm not looking for an apology. But it would be nice to have one, Savvy. If you're watching, man, it'd be nice to have an apology, man. Life's too short to hold grudges. You know what I mean? All right, let's see. Let's see, boy. Spark Point, man. Downtrend resistance, uptrend of support. You should see a breakout here for Spark Point within the next couple hours. In the next couple hours, you should see a breakout to the upside for Spark Point. The breakout target would be from top to bottom, if you simply extrapolate this up, guys. I mean, it would put you approximately about 1.1 cents. 1.1 cents would be the target up there. All right, if there's the break to the upside. Break to the downside, obviously, you might be looking at some levels like 5.6 cents approximately for Spark Point. Ultimately, if that breaks out, guys, you have a better chance of Savvy going long. I don't know, guys. You think I have a better chance of Savvy going long or Savvy apologizing to me? What do you think? You guys got to hug it out? It's too late. It's beyond that point. Jordan thinks about Savvy 7 hours a day. I do think about Savvy 7 hours a day. How could I not? He's so beautiful. You guys want to see a sneak peek? You guys don't know. He's a sexy boy. There he is. Ready? Where is he? Where is he? Here he is. What's going on, guys? I was digging deep for some Elliott waves today. I found some bearish. We're still bearish. We're still bearish. You know, I found some new Elliott waves. I had to throw my other ones out in the trash, but it's okay. New Elliott waves. I love the Elliott waves. I love them. I love them. I don't feel like going too deep into it right now, but yeah. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Missy became a member. What's going on? Litecoin. Litecoin. Let's check out Lite. We looked at Litecoin earlier, but Litecoin. Wow. Litecoin holy majoli, Litecoin continues up, boys. Okay, it's moving up. It's moving up, boys. Moving up, boys. 242.7. Litecoin killing it. Broke this resistance. What are we talking about? You break this resistance. You break this resistance. Okay? Going up here. You break this resistance, right? 239. You break 243. Litecoin was going to go up to 279. You could be seeing Litecoin have a pretty big move, guys. I mean, there's not much looking left here, honestly, for Litecoin. Litecoin could be going to 279. Someone said Litecoin pump means take profits. Probably. Probably, man. Yeah, but Litecoin actually looks good. 279 would be your next target there. But yeah, I mean, Litecoin pumping means take profits. That's bad. That's bad, man. That's bad. All right, AVAX. We looked at AVAX today. We have not looked at AVAX today. I'm surprised we haven't, guys. Why are we not looking at AVAX? Why are we not looking at AVAX? Yeah, I mean, AVAX is killing it, bro. Right to the 1.618. You moved right to the 1.618. Got a rejection off the 1.618. Move down. I mean, it's perfect, man. It's perfect. Next target for AVAX would be the 2.618, which would put you up at 144.50. 144.50. Right? That would be the ultimate target there. If that was to break out. If you guys know what movie I'm talking about, let me know in the chat. I gotta find a comment in here, man. Hold up. Where's the comment? Where's the comment? Where's the comment? Where's the comment? I'll have to find the comment. I'll have to find the comment after. But let's see. Avalanche. Yeah, dude, Avalanche is killing it, bro. I mean, Avalanche, guys, some of these alts, man, I mean, if you invested, this is at $9, this thing's up 10x. 10x, man. You invested $1,000 in this, you now have $10,000. I mean, it's a very, very slight example, but I mean, this is awesome, man. It's awesome. $90 for Avalanche. 144.50 is coming next. 144. I don't know why I'm doing that, but it's all good. It's all good. Let's see. Free Viper said I missed you. What's going on, Viper? Where you been at, man? Where you been at today? It's not like you to not be here, bro. Kenny, what's going on, man? 150% in LRC. Nice, dude. Can you go over take profit strategy again on Bitcoin? My take profit strategy. I haven't made any profit on Bitcoin, guys. I'm just kidding. Let's my take profit strategy for Bitcoin. Okay, so originally I had the longer term fibs. I've now consolidated that over here. You know, so my take profit strategy for Bitcoin on our way up. So I have this fib and I have this fib. Okay, here's what I'm looking at. I have short-term take profits and long-term take profits. Here is what I'm looking at, okay? I'm definitely taking profit at 74,000. 74,000 is a very, very important level. It's our breakout target of our bull flag, or our symmetrical triangle. It's the 2.618 Fibonacci on our short-term move. And then after that, I mean, look at the confluence of these guys. The 1.618 Fibonacci of our long-term and our 3.618 Fibonacci of our short-term match exactly at 87,000, okay? So I'll probably front run that a little bit. In theory, I'll probably take profits probably around 85,000 to front run that slightly. Now, everyone might be having the same idea. I'm going to be front run $85,000. So I might even get front run a little more. That's kind of how this works. But I'll probably front run that slightly depending on where we are at the time. And then we have 95,000. So you can notice these are like 75, 85, 95. And then obviously these are sort of the higher targets. These are like moonshot targets, right? These are our 124,000, 159,000, 180,000 moonshots. And then the rest is history, man. I mean, after that, I mean, that's just cake money after that. I'm not sure if we're going any higher than that, but if we do, oh boy. Oh boy. I'm sure we'll all be very, very happy on stream if that was to happen. But basically, I mean, that's basically the general gist of what I do. I mean, especially if there's two Fibonacci levels that are matching up perfectly on a spot. I mean, that's definitely something you want to be looking at, you know? Litecoin's breaking out. 77K is stock to flow line. Yeah. Mission impossible. Bear, what's going on? Bear, why do you not have a wrench? Hold on. I need to give Bear a wrench. Bear, here you go. I don't know why Bear doesn't have a wrench. Bear's awesome, man. I gotta give Bear a wrench. Let's see. So we did AVAX. Let's do Quant real quick. Quant. What's going on with Quant, man? Appreciate the super chat, Daryl. Let's see. QANC. Why am I covering my neck? It's a hoodie, bro. It's a hoodie. You want to see, what, do you want to see my neck? Why do you want to see my neck, man? It's a little skeptical. A little skeptical you want to see my neck. All right, QNT. Let's see what's going on here, man. So, let's see. I mean, this would be a level you definitely want to hold. I mean, you could see your previous low from back here in September 21st. You look like you actually broke that today. It looks like you've got to close below that level, and now you're starting to move back down. You know, where would this bounce, right? Where would be the next level you would expect us to bounce? Well, let's take our Fibonacci's here. You broke the golden pocket, right? The golden pocket's gone. In theory, I mean, you expect this to go to the 786 at about 229, right? In theory. You know what I mean? So, in theory, that's what we're looking for. Hickeys. I don't allow hickeys. So you would never see a one on my neck because I don't allow those. The Dunkin' Donuts girl. There's no hickeys in the Dunkin' Donuts girl. I promise. Chart gold. Yeah, it's a hoodie. It just goes up like this. See? You can see my neck if you want. See? Nothing there. Lost Adventure said, I don't trust anything he says. He can't see a neck. Well, then you definitely don't trust Bob, because let me tell you, Bob here has one of the biggest necks you've ever seen. Ready? What? You don't trust me? You don't trust me because I have a huge neck? What's wrong with you, man? Why don't you trust me? Lost Adventures. Just because you can't see my neck, you don't trust me? What kind of person are you? Bob's offended, bro. So we did AVAX, we did Quant. Ultimately, we could come back down to 230, like we said, for Quant. Wrench, take my old one. Let's see. I'm better than a wrench. Sato. Oh, we have Monica with the super chat saying Sato's the next ETH killer. I can't agree with you, Monica. I definitely can't agree with you, but here's what I'll say. You're really persistent on the Sato, so I give you credit. I give you credit where credit's due. You know? I give you credit. It's all fun, Jordan. Trust me, Brad. If anyone can understand sarcasm, it's me, man. I am the king of sarcasm, bro. If you guys watch the stream every day, you know I'm the king of sarcasm. My whole stream is sarcasm in a nutshell. Okay, so if I don't understand sarcasm, it probably means that your joke wasn't very good. Okay, that's what I'll say about you. Probably means your joke sucked. In theory, literally, it's quite beautiful. It's not quite beautiful, but probably means that it broke. Max gonna laugh at life. Yep. All right. Bitcoin's not doing diddly squat at the moment, guys. Literally diddly squat. We had obviously another nice pump. Look at Bitcoin on the daily, man. Look, guys, can we just marvel for a second while we wait here? Can we just marvel what the last couple months have looked like here? We've gone from 29,000 to 67,000 in a couple months. And that's just Bitcoin, right? That's just Bitcoin. I mean, we could go look at ETH, and it's the same type of deal, right? Let's marvel at ETH. ETH, 1,700 to 4,700. Let's marvel at ETH. We don't have to marvel at ADA, okay? We don't have to marvel at ADA. ADA, I guess it's ADA's fine, right? I mean, it was at 10 cents. Actually, I mean, ADA was at, I don't even remember. ADA was at 2 cents, I think, at one point here. Yeah, 2 cents. Now it's at 2.11. But even ADA, I mean, ADA was at $1 at the same time, you know? So we can marvel for a little bit. That's a big pickle. Oh, it's a big pickle. Big pickle, man. Literally. Digibyte needs to make a move. What's Digibyte doing, Digi? What is Digibyte doing, man? Digibyte. Let's see. Yeah, Digibyte. Oh, man. I'm sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Digibyte. Digibyte's not looking great, but no, Digibyte will move. All right, you know, it's not. It'll catch up to the rest of the market, right? I mean, I'm sort of joking with you here, but it'll move. It'll move. It's coming up on a breakout. Downtrend of resistance, uptrend of support. You're right. It could be breaking out right now, honestly. You're right there. You're right there. You honestly already could have. I don't know, man. I mean, this is not Digi. It just doesn't have any juice, you know? It just doesn't have any juice. It's hardly that bad. It's really not that bad. I'm kidding. But yeah, I mean, it looks like ETC, which I expect ETC to move up. Hopefully Digi can move up too. What I'll say about Digi, it has the low price effect, right? It has the 5 cents low price effect, which can bring some noobs in, right? In theory, So at least it has that going for it. That's what they all say. What's up, Jimmy B? I'm still in the green with Matic. I mean, you should be still in the green with Matic. I mean, Matic, I mean, has been moving pretty well, you know? No volume. Heather, don't get me started with the no volume, Heather, man. Man.
Rant alert.
Should we look at the no volume, guys? The no volume Bitcoin's had? Let's take a look, shall we? I'm sure you guys want to take a look. Let's look at the no volume Bitcoin's had and compare it here. All right, so since the bottom here, Bitcoin's really had no volume. Since down here at the bottom, right here, look at that. It has the same volume it did on that breakout day. Look at that, man. I mean, look at the volume. There's been no volume. There's no volume. Guys, volume doesn't mean squat. In a volume doesn't mean squat in a time like this. Why is there no volume? Huh, here you go, genius. Maybe it's because no one's selling and everyone's buying, okay? That's why there's no volume, okay? You ever think of that one, genius? Huh? Did you think of that one? Have you ever thought of maybe, that's why maybe there's no volume, okay? Maybe everyone just has...
Let's go make some paper mache.
Or maybe no one has...
Let's go make some paper mache.
Right? No one has paper hands, man. And all the whales are coming in to scoop it up. That's all they're doing. He means you're on mute. Facts. Absolute facts. Exchange is running low on BTC. Yeah, man. Wah said boring rant. Maybe you think about genius. Crypto Kirby. Crypto Kirby's one. Oh man, this dude is always saying no volume. He's been screaming no volume since $3,000. There's no volume. We have decreasing volume. And then he says, "Oh, bearish divergence. Warning, shots fired." That's all he says, bro. And then we just keep continuing up. Bearish divergence, no volume. Big resistance, big red box of resistance. Oh no, the sky is falling. Warning, shots fired. I'm wrong again. What do you know? And we continue up. So that's that. That's that. It's not a rant if something isn't smashed. That's true, man. That's true. Man, so technically right now, guys, it is actually an hour later than we normally do, because technically it's actually 9:30 right now here, right? If we were to take this like as our regular time, it's technically 9:30. Maybe that's why Jordan's running out of juice. It's usually after like 2.5 hours I start running out of juice here, guys. You guys can probably tell when the juice is starting to run out. And the juice, especially after dancing like the first 30 minutes of the stream, the juice is definitely running out a little bit here. ETC, actually ETC, look at ETC. I might have to dance again. ETC. Why do I have a mask? Let's go. It's because Bitcoin's dumping. Yeah, maybe it's because Bitcoin's dumping too. ETC is trying to move up though, which is good. A little bit. 250. I mean, everything else is down, so I guess we can get excited over ETC, I guess. I might call it a stream, guys. We've been live for, I mean, it's 9:40 technically, right? I mean, it's not, but it is. because of daylight savings time. I'm out of juice, man. I'm out of juice right now. Bitcoin's doing diddly squat. Ethereum's doing diddly squat. Maybe we come back down and back test some areas. I don't know. Or Bitcoin just says, screw you, Jordan, we're going to continue higher, which I would love. I'll be dancing over here if that happens, all right? So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys go follow me on Twitter and go join the Discord. Links down in the description down below. Also, go check out all the deals and stuff down there. Whether you're wondering what I chart with, it's TradingView. All that fun stuff. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow, all right? I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for another awesome stream. Awesome pumpage at the beginning of the stream. Not too much afterwards, but that's okay. That's okay. We can deal with a little bit of non-pumpage at the end, all right? So I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for another awesome friggin' stream. Awesome friggin' stream. Keep it easy. Keep it cool. Peace.